Good morning, students. Today we are going for chapter 8 Challenges to Democracy. Challenges to democracy, it refers to these countries where the problem of governments, it means the dictator countries, monarchies, and the power in the hand of the army. A challenge is not just any problem. We usually call only those difficulties as challenges which are significant and which can be overcome. For a country, it is an opportunity for progress. We overcome a challenge, we go up to a higher level than before. Democracy is generally defined as government by the people. In a democracy, all the people in a country, state, provinces, region collectively govern themselves. What happens in reality is that the peoples elect a small number of representatives to govern them. But here, challenges faced by the democratic countries. First, fundamental challenges. Different countries face different kind of challenges. Looking at the world map, we come to know that at least 1/4 of the globe is still not under the democratic regime. It means numbers of the countries, the power in the hand of the dictators. Either army is rule over the country. Here, non-democratic form to a democratic form of government and then building democratic institution. This would involve the following: bringing down existing non-democratic regime, keeping military dictators away from controlling the government, and establishing a sovereign functional state. Challenges of expansion of democracy. First, the kind of challenge faced by the existing democratic countries are known as challenge of expansion. This would involve application of basic principles of democratic government. First, all the regions, different social groups, and various institutions. To successfully accomplish the above task of the following measure will be taken. If you want to be expansion of the democracy in your country, it is sure that ensuring greater power given to the local government, like in India, there is the three type of the government: central government, state government, and local type of the government. Local government have the some powers, they are basically use many of the things, and they also reduce the burden of the central government and the state government. Second, extension of federal principle to different units of federation, inclusion of women's, majority and minority groups in the main streams of social economic life. It means given to the chance to the women and minority groups, peoples, they also get the chance to elect now. All major decisions should be taken within the arena of democratic control. Deepening of democracy. It means how the democracy was deepening. Some of the important challenges, like crucial challenges that is faced by all democratic countries in one form or another form, is that deepening or strengthening of democracy. Firstly, increasing people's participation in political process, decentralization of powers, ensuring independence of judiciary, ensuring freedom of press and media, bringing down the influence and control of rich class peoples, introducing right to recall in case of failure of representative to fulfill people's aspiration, and introducing a feedback mechanism to know people's response to government policy, need for political reforms, like the challenges faced by different democratic countries are not the same. It means that all of them cannot follow the same recipe of political reform. We can think some broad guidelines that should be kept in mind. Reforming politics through legal means. For example, anti-defection law passed by the parliament has certainly discouraged political defection, encouraged political stability. Reform through mutual consent. There is always some limitation of legal constitutional changes as means to overcome the challenges of democracy. New rules regarding LBW decision went long away in reducing negative batting tactics. Like here, example, it would be difficult to say that quality of cricket could be improved only through changes in rule and law. It means the quality of cricket could only be improved through the contributory effort of the concerned parties, players, coaches, administrator. Same way, in the similar manner, the successful democratic reforms would require the mutual consent of political activities, parties, and politically conscious citizens. Thinking of the consciences of legal reform. For example, many states in India have banned the citizens having more than two children from contesting panchayat election. Reform through political practice. Reform through time and implementation programs. Reforming politician. Such conclusions are all major decisions should be taken only by the rulers elected by the people. It means government. People should be offered fair opportunity through election to chance the existing ruler. It means people have the right to elect the good governments. There should be control mechanism or limit the power of government in the form of the constitution. In a democracy, there should be mechanism available for power sharing between government and social groups. There should be respect for the minority voices. In a democracy or democratic government, it means challenges to democracy. It given the lesson that in a democratic countries, give the rights to the minorities, give the rights to the women, increase the education. People should be offered opportunity. They make new government and fair government. They give their vote to good government. There should be a mechanism available for power sharing between government and the social groups. This is showing that the results need to be challenges to democracy.